Smart Automobile Troubleshooting. If you're looking for help fixing your smart automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive Smart Automobile Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Oil warning light is on. An oil warning light is one of the most serious car problems you'll ever encounter. When the light or oil icon comes on, you should immediately pull over and shut off your engine. The low pressure warning light can mean you've got a bad oil pressure sensor, bum oil pump, or a significant engine wear problem. But it can also mean that you've simply run out of oil. You can check your oil level right there on the side of the road. Fix a dim headlight. Most DIYers think a dim headlight is caused by a poor connection on the power side of the circuit. That's possible, but in most cases, the dim headlight is caused by corrosion on the ground connection. So check the electrical connector for corrosion and then clean the ground connection. Remove the electrical connector that plugs into the headlight. Look for signs of corrosion or melted plastic from excessive heat. If you find corrosion, clean it using electrical contact cleaner and a small wire brush. Worn out brake pads. It is dangerous to drive a car with worn out brake pads. The brake pads wear out due to constant friction. When they wear out, you will often notice a squeaking sound. Besides, you will need to hard press the brakes for them to be effective. This can be disastrous during emergency braking. Have your mechanic inspect your brake pads if you suspect that there is something wrong with them. Lack of power. Stalling. The throttle body is known for getting clogged up with a carbon build-up. This problem causes a lack of acceleration and can lead to the car stalling at junctions, etc. You may also notice that it coughs and splutters a bit when idling. You will need to remove the throttle body and clean it out with a toothbrush and some throttle body cleaner. This will sort the issue. Water leak in passenger front footwell. The plenum chamber can get clogged up with leaves and debris, which results in water leaking into the front passenger footwell. The plenum chamber is located next to the window wiper mechanism below the windscreen. Unblocking the holes on the plenum chamber will allow the water to drain through the holes instead of leaking into the front passenger footwell. Clunky gear changes. The automatic gearbox on the smart car is not as durable as on other models and can wear out quite quickly. That's what's causing the problem in most cases. Although there are some cases where there is a fault with the mechatronics control system. Try replacing the gearbox first, which you can order from us. If that doesn't resolve the issue, then it's the mechatronics control system, and you'll need a specialist to repair it. Fix a squealing belt. Of all the car problems you might encounter, a squealing belt is probably the most annoying. The high-pitched squeal is produced when the rubber belt loses its grip and slips around the pulleys. In rare cases, a worn slow-moving alternator, pump, or AC compressor bearing or component misalignment can cause a perfectly good belt to squeal. But in most cases, the belt slips because it's worn, is loose, or has been contaminated with oil or coolant. You can diagnose all those problems yourself with a visual inspection, a belt wear gauge, and a spray water bottle. SourceMechanicBase.com